Hello everybody! Hello! Okay, so today we are going to be talking about these guys right here, which are the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. Don't think they call it a lipstick. They call it Color Sensation. But essentially this is kind of like a hybrid between if a lipstick and a lip gloss had a baby. Because they do give you the darker colors like the dark red and the dark purple I have on my lips. They do give you more of that kind of traditional wet lip you get with lip glosses, but the lighter colors, as you'll see in the swatches, I don't think give you as much. They give you, I hate using this word, but they give you more of like a moist looking lip as opposed to like the wet looking lip that you normally get. I'm kind of on the fence of loving these and being meh. Like I love them because they are super pigmented. They are somewhat easy to apply. I feel like you really have to use a lip liner with them to get a smooth line on your lip, and also so that they don't feather out on you. But I don't know, they're on the borderline of feeling gloopy, and I like glosses that feel more wet. I really don't like ones that feel gloopy, so these are on like the borderline for me, but they dry down a little bit too as you wear them. So I think I do actually really like them. Doing swatches again today made me be like, no, I really do actually like this product. And the pigmentation on them is great. It's hard to get a lip gloss that has this much pigment in it, and they do dry down as you wear them a bit more. They are incredibly long lasting. In particular for a gloss, though I don't really think it's marketed as a gloss. It's just, I guess I'm so used to matte lipsticks, it's probably more just like it really is. It's like a lip gloss and lipstick had a baby. I know I already said that, but that's the best way I can describe them to you. But they are long wearing. The cons for me, I already kind of touched on the fact that they can feel like a touch bit gloopy, and I like more watery feeling lip glosses. That is totally a personal preference though, so that may not be a con for you. The only major con for me is that these smell super, super chemically and really bad. It fades once you put it on, it goes away pretty quickly, but when you like open the cap, it has this, it's just really, really fake chemically smelling, so that's the only thing for me that was a big con. But that is it. They retail for around like $8.99, $9.99 depending on where you purchase them. The applicator is very similar. It's the exact same as for the lipstick that they did. So it's got, I think you can see it when it's on my arm like that. It's got kind of the teardrop shape applicator with, this one doesn't have a hole in the center. Some of them do, some of them don't. This one doesn't. But it picks up a lot of product, which makes it nice. You don't have to keep on dipping in and out and back into the tube to get more. So yeah, I guess the final thoughts then are that I like this product. It lasts a really long time, in particular for a product that is going to give you a more glossy look. I do wish the lighter colors had a bit more of a gloss look to them, and I would really recommend only doing one layer. These are opaque enough where I would use a lip liner underneath them to get a true opaque color. I wouldn't build these up on top of themselves, like on top of itself to get opaqueness, because then it's definitely going to get super, super gloopy on you, and you really want to keep this to a one layer only kind of product, because as soon as you do like two layers, it, for me anyways, it's going to feel really like bleh, just like super like, you know when your lips stick together when you press them together, and then when you like pull them apart you can see the product, like just, yeah, it'll do that if you start to layer it. And also, I think that these layer well on top of lip liners. I have put it on top of a lipstick before, and I don't think it interacts well when you put it on top of a lipstick. So I would say put it on top of a lip liner if you want true opacity, but I wouldn't recommend putting it on top of another lipstick. And yeah, that is kind of it. You can get them pretty much anywhere, like CVS, Target, wherever your drugstore makeup is sold, and online, of course, Ulta, or an in-store for Ulta as well. But yep, that is it. I'll go ahead and take you over into the swatches, and then this video will be done. Okie dokie, so the first color we have is 60, and it is Tease. This is one of my favorites. It's just a really, really, really good basic nude. It has like maybe a slight more pink. It definitely has more of a pink than a peachy tone, but it does a really good job of being just an actual good neutral color. Then the next color that we have is 66, and it is called Too Cute. And it's just a really nice, it's an actual pink gloss, but I think the nice thing about it is that it is still very much pink, but it's not super bright pink. And it very much, to me, is kind of one of those like Your Lips But Better colors. So definitely like this one too. Oh, and I'm doing all these swatches with no lip liner, so you can see how it looks just on my naked lips. Then this color right here is a number 72, and it's called Classic. After, I'm assuming classic red, it is kind of your classic, more blue toned red. I will start to say this one out of all of them, I probably had the most trouble applying. It was, I don't know if it was a little bit more runny or yeah, maybe it was a little bit. It's not a runny formula, but I don't know, this one I had the most difficulty applying. And I would start like with this color, and then with the next color I show you, I would definitely use a lip liner, because these colors do feather on you and they do stain your lips. This one didn't stain mine too badly, but this color right here, this berry purple, this stained my lips super bright pink. Which isn't surprising. I feel like dark colors a lot of the times will stain your lips pink when it's a purple like this. And as you can also see in the swatch, it is the patchiest out of all of them. The first three were not that patchy. This one's definitely the patchiest out of all of them when it is used on its own. And I ended up wearing it throughout the day with a purple lip liner underneath it. That took the patchiness out of it. But this feathers a crap ton. So definitely when you're putting it, put it on the inner part of your lips. Don't take it all the way out to the edge of your lips, because I was wearing it within an hour and it feathered really badly on me, and it drove me absolutely crazy. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. I would love to see you in the next video. I hope that you're having a good day, night, evening, wherever you are, and goodbye.